Students, today we have new chapter, that is acid, base and salts. These acid, base and salts we also get in our house, we also purchase from market, and we have some common things that is present in our house. Acid is also present in our house, base is also we keep in our house, and salt, that is a common salt which we call the namak or sodium chloride, that is also present in our house. So we have the different materials, different substances. So on this types we have three types of the substance, that is acid, base and salt. Acids are those substance which is sour in taste, means खट्टा होता है, and it turns blue litmus into the red. Litmus is a substance which indicates the nature of the substance, which tells us whether the substance is acid or base. So that is a litmus paper. So litmus paper acts as an indicator which indicates the substance is acid or base. So if you have blue litmus, then blue litmus turns into the red color. It is corrosive in nature, means when it falls on any substance it causes rusting. It is also burn in nature. If it falls on our skin starts to burn. And it conducts electricity. It is good conductor of electricity. And when it dissociates into hydrogen ion. Next substance, that is a base, which is bitter in taste, and it turns red litmus into the blue color, means just opposite of the acid. Here the base turns red litmus into the blue color. It is soapy in touch, slippery. When you touch the soap, the same touch you will feel in the base. Mainly it contains hydroxide. All the hydroxides are the bases. The soap that we use, that contains the base, because that is soapy in touch. And the substance which is formed after a reaction of acid and base, that is called salt. And salt is produced after the process of neutralization reaction, means this salt is neither acidic or nor basic in nature, so they are neutral. So this salt is produced after the process of neutralization reaction, the substance produced from the reaction between acid and base. An example is, that is salt. So if the acid and base reacts, it produces salt and water. So as for example, this I am writing here acid, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl, plus base sodium hydroxide, NaOH. As I told you earlier, the acid contains hydrogen, this H, and base contains hydroxide, OH. So it produces NaCl. NaCl means sodium chloride, Na this one, and Cl this one. So it produces sodium chloride plus water, H2O. This is the water. So when the neutralization reaction takes place, it always produces salt and water. So this is the third substance. So substances are of three types: acid, base and salt. Now we will go one by one to the acid. Here, if we talk about the types of acid, we have different types of acid. That is, first mineral acid, second organic acid, third weak acid, and fourth strong acid. So first one, that is mineral acid, those acid which we get from the earth crust, that is mined from the earth crust, they are called mineral acid. As for example, phosphoric acid, carbonic acid, this phosphorus, carbon, sulfur, all these are present in the earth crust. So they form the acid, that is phosphoric acid and carbonic acid. So they are called mineral acid. Second, that is organic acid, are obtained from the plants and animal. As for example, lactic acid and citric acid. Lactic acid we get in the milk, it is present in the milk, which is a source from animal, and citric acid is source from the plants, which is present in the lemon. Citric acid is also known as ascorbic acid, which is found in the lemon and the oranges, and amla. So that is the weak acid. And organic acid. And third one, that is a weak acid. Weak acids are those acids which do not dissociate completely. When it is broken, it is not completely dissociates into its ion in the solution. So they are called the weak acid. As for example, tartaric acid and the lactic acid. Weak acids are those acids which do not completely dissociates into its ion in the solution. They are called weak acid. As for example, tartaric acid and the lactic acid. Fourth one, that is the strong acid. Strong acids are those acids which is completely dissociates into its ion in the salt solution. So they are called strong acid. As for example, sulfuric acid and the nitric acids. So on these types, acids are of 4 types: mineral acid, organic acid, weak acid and strong acid. Now, as I have told you earlier, the salt is produced when the acid reacts with the base. So that process is the neutralization. Here I have just written neutralization. So in the neutralization is a process in which acid reacts with the base to produce salt and water. So any acid you can write, like hydrochloric acid, HCl plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it produces NaCl, salt, that is sodium chloride, and water, H2O. So this process is known as neutralization. Earlier I have explained here what is litmus. So litmus is a type of indicator. This is a natural indicator which indicates or which tells us whether a substance is acid or base. So indicator I have written here again. So indicator is a substance which indicates or which tells us about the nature of the any chemicals, where the chemical is acid or base in nature. So indicators is of 2 types: natural indicator or synthetic indicator, or man-made indicator. Natural indicator is found in the nature. As for example, lichen. Lichen is a substance which is produced from the algae and fungi, and this from lichen the litmus paper is made. The litmus paper that you see here, that is made from the lichen. And second is hibiscus, the flower, you know, hibiscus, godhal, which you call in Hindi. So hibiscus is also used as the indicator. So these 2 are the natural indicator, and second, that is synthetic or chemical indicator, that is methyl orange and phenolphthalein. These are the indicators which indicates the nature of the substance, and it tells whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. In the next slides we will discuss about the base and the neutralization reaction. Thank you.